Hello viewers, Islam here from Let's Flex, and this is a lecture number 10 from Basic to Advanced Go High Level course. In this lecture we are going to learn about payment and how we can integrate with payments to the Go High Level and how we can utilize all payments features of Go High Level. So let's dive in video and I will show you how we can do this all things with the payment section. So let me log in my test account that we have created in a previous lecture. And in a previous lecture we have learned about opportunities, pipeline and stages. Simply go with the payment section, and here we have different payments features that we need to that I am going to explore one by one. So let's start with the integrations, because first of all you need to integrate your payment section. In Go High Level we have different payment methods we are able to link with Go High Level. For example, we have Stripe, that's the most recommended. You can use Stripe for all the transaction, is an easy way you can handle. And you can also integrate payments, Thrice and NMI, and also you can do some manual payment method and secure as well. But recommended is go with the Stripe, because Stripe is a most useful with the Go High Level and it's easy to manage and maintains all these payments and transactions. So it's a super easy. Just simply click on a connect and just click on a contacts again and simply log in with your Stripe account here, and after that you are able to log in with your Stripe account. Right now I don't have Stripe account, I'm not going to link it with it. So once you log in your Stripe account here, it will be automatically linked here, and after that you can manage your payments through Stripe, and you can import products and add products in a Stripe as well. So that's how you can integrate your payment method. And after that we are going to learn about the invoices, and here is a first things invoices. We need to create invoice for our business, for our client, for our customer, and what our services we are providing here. So right now I don't have any invoice. You want to create a recurring invoice, or you want to create a just new invoice? I'm just going to create a new invoice. It's a super easy. And here we have all invoice features and what we are going to do in an invoice. And here you can see we have some data from pull from our account details here, test account, and it's a dummy number, and also put there all detail others as well. So what we are going to learn here, we are going to add customer. For example, we can say that this invoice for Aslam. Here what we are going to add, and invoice number. Here you can update date, and also you can add product here. Right now we don't have any product, so that's why it's asking we don't have any product. In a few seconds I will show you how you can create the product as well. And an additional option, you can add your text and whatever you want to add. Here you can pay your payments simply just click on play. Click on pay link. Whatever you want to add here, you can add text according to your project. And if you want to add image here, it's a super easy. You can add image. Right now I don't have any image here, so that's why it's not showing me, but you can add simply image here as well. And you can design invoice according to your requirement. It's a super easy. It's not a tricky. Or you can update your business detail here as well, number, email that you want to update. Right now I don't have any invoice. And integrate payment method as well. And after that we have recurring invoice. We don't have it. For example, you have recurring monthly payments, so you can create recurring invoice. It will be automatically sent to your customer, and it will asking for recurring as well. With the workflow I will also guide you how you can create recurring invoice as well, and how you can create automations for recurring invoice. Let's go to the template. Here we have some template. If you can create some templates for your invoices and you can use for later your multiple business, you can create your template and save it, and you can add it for your other business as well. And here we have estimates. We don't have any estimate. For example, someone came to you and asked for give me estimate, so here you can create your estimate that you send to their customer and to your client as well. In the next step we have documents. For example, documents, you have contract. You want to do some contract with some person and you want to create contract. It's a super easy drag and drop. Similar it's a drag and drop documents or contract you can make according to your requirement. And I just say, for example, you want text, you can just put here text, and if you want image, you can put and drag and drop, put your image here. And if you want to table and drag and drop, you can put table here. Whatever you want to present in your contract, it's a super easy. Just you can drag and drop, and after that preview and link your domain, and you can share with your customer as well. Okay, let's go back. We have one document, but it's not live. And here we have orders and abandoned checkouts, and here we have subscription base. If you have any subscription for your SaaS business, and you can create your own SaaS agency, then it will be useful. Here you can send your payment link, that you can create your specific payment link for specific client. It's a super easy. Right now I don't have any payment method integrated with it, so that's why I'm not able to select here. I need to select just product, and I need to just put I need to make just URL, and after that we need to redirect to anywhere that you want to show your client, and your client will be click on a link and is ready to pay. Here you can track your all transactions, and you can manage all transactions here. And right now I'm going to the products. I will create the product here, and just simply go say that test one, simply set this one, not going to use any image right now, and I will say that there is a no collection in a product. If you have any category or anything, you can select here. Right now I don't have, I just have pricing option here. I need to put one time price, or you want to recurring, you just make it recurring. I will say that it's a $199 price, and if you want to make in dollars and whatever currency you want to use here, you can simply drag and drop and you can use it. For example, I'm going to use in USD, and I will say that, and track inventory if you have inventory, and you can say continue without stock as well. I just say product is saved, and just go back. Here we have one product, and here you have coupons. If you have any discounts and coupons for your business, for your product, you can just create here. For example, I just create a coupon. I just say test coupon, coupon code is test. It's just example. I can say select the percentage, and I will say 20% off. And here what we can say that just I need select the date, and the date I will say this one, and this one limited total. And here you can select your offer that you want to create here. I would say we need to end the time. So that's coupon is created, and you can you just activate your coupon, and after that when someone buy the product, he will get 20% off on all those products. For example, you want to create your Black Friday offer, your New Year's offer, that you can simply create your coupon here, and you can utilize on any product. And then let's go to the setting, and here we have all our tax informations and your business information, your name, reception names, and also you can put your business detail, notifications. You can select your notification that you want to add a simple notification for anyone's, and ship and origins. You can all things you can select here for any other details and any other thing that you want to show the customer. Yeah, that's it from this video. And if you need any GoHighLevel services, or you want to book free consultation, simply go to the leadsflex.com and book your free consultation here, and let's discuss about your project and your invoices as well. In the next video I will show you all automations of payments, how you can automate your payment system and payment procedure with the GoHighLevel. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video.